Howdy, Aviators. We're still stoked over Maple Ridge and Sweeter Cards' team up. It's great to see such a sweet collaboration in the industry. Here's what Promo Pilot has for you in this issue. On the blog, we introduce you to Order Desk, a powerful order management tool. And will handcrafted creativity become a luxury in an AI world? We examine that and more on our radar. And updates from Order Desk, Swag Space, and Order My Gear appear in the release notes. Links for all the stories will appear in the show notes. On the blog, Order Desk is a robust SaaS application designed to streamline order management across various e-commerce platforms like Liftoff, Order My Gear, and Bright Stores. The platform supports custom CSV exports, emails, FTP drops, JSON posts, and Zapier integrations. On our radar, this thought-provoking article from Squarespace CCO David Lee discusses the potential impact of AI on human creativity, suggesting that as AI handles repetitive tasks, human creativity will become increasingly valuable. David argues that creativity and storytelling will be crucial skills, potentially making human-crafted content a luxury. AI tools can enhance the creative process by speeding up prototyping, but idea generation and craftsmanship remain fundamentally human skills. Cloudflare's latest report reveals that almost 7% of internet traffic is malicious, up from the previous year, largely due to increased DDoS attacks. To protect against these threats, the report recommends using web application firewalls, enabling DDoS protection services, and regularly updating software to mitigate vulnerabilities. And finally, an article from A Smart Bear posits that overused marketing terms like authentic have lost their meaning due to misuse and overuse. It suggests replacing vague buzzwords with specific, concrete language to create more meaningful and impactful communication. To stand out, companies should show rather than tell. In the release notes, Order Desk's Spoke custom integration now supports the ability to cancel an order before Spoke has it in production. And Order Desk's Liftoff integration has received a big update thanks to our recent collaboration. Now, in the item metadata, you will find custom product fields, product files, SKU options, and the line item's vendor name. The order will now import with the Liftoff order number 2. SwagSpace kicks off August with a substantial update that brings permissions for multiple users, new customer support with Intercom, the ability to customize credit card descriptors, and a lot more. And finally, we missed one from Order My Gear a few weeks ago. Pop-up store admins can now create a preview store link for their customers so that they can review before launch. That's all for this episode. Check the description for relevant links to learn more about what you've heard. For more from Promo Pilot, visit promopilot.io. We'll see you amongst the clouds and all of the socials at Your Promo Pilot.